We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome back to Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase we're teaching you is called 快一点 hurry up.
脚
掉位 Okay, that means hurry up. Alice 啊，这不是小朋友在成长过程，希望他青菜要多吃一点吗？
对，有些青菜他不敢吃，
对不对？
但是我们就要让他尝试，然后就叫他说一定要吃，然后给我吃快一点。
对，因为他都会拖。
对，然后这样慢慢咬，慢慢咬。
See, an experienced mom would know this. When you raise your kid, most kids don't like to eat vegetables, and you would tell them, hurry up and eat your veggies.
而且吃青菜本来就对身体很好啊。
没错。All right, let's hear this conversation.
腳地位留長菜識體記，
唔過牙唔好食。
食長菜對身體好啊。
對身體好啦。Of course, veggies is good for you. You have to have a balanced diet. 吃什麼都一定要平均嘛，均衡。快一點要把青菜吃掉。怎麼說？
腳地位
腳地位
留長菜識體記。
留長菜識體記。識體記是吃下去嗎？OK， 吃掉。That means to eat it. 那青菜是
搶菜。
搶菜就是青菜，所以菜就是菜嘛。
對。
可是我不喜歡吃。
對，小朋友都會這樣子回。可是我又不喜歡吃，唔過牙唔好食。
唔過牙唔好食。OK， 唔好吃就是不想吃，不喜歡，不好就是不喜歡。而且他
還會用那種好像快哭的口吻。
對，
唔好吃。
Exactly. Anyways, that's a response from kids or anyone who doesn't like veggies, right? I don't like to eat it, but of course we gotta respond. 吃青菜對身體好啊。
吃搶菜對身體好啊。
吃搶菜對身體好啊。身體就是身體。That means your body. 身體好啊，好。It's good for your body, basically. 然後搶菜我們剛剛教過了嘛，就是青菜。That means veggies or green veggies. There you go. Really, eat more veggies. It's really good for you. Let's reuse these terms, such as 当然再來一次青菜。
搶菜。
搶菜 and then to eat it 吃掉。
識體記。
識體記 that means to eat it, finish it. All right. And finally, 身體好。
身體好。
身體好 Okay, that means your body is healthy and well. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 快一點。
腳地位。
腳地位 All right, let's listen to this conversation again.
腳地位留長菜識體記，
唔過牙唔好食。
食長菜對身體好啊。
And again, have a balanced diet and be healthy. That does it for today's Conversational Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.